Well, here's Agus again. He comes very close, like he nudges my legs for company. He's stepping on my toes. Hi, Agus! I can be a little company for some time. Yes. Everybody's gone, huh? Some days there come 3,000 people here, and he's been used to that. Yeah. For now? What are you saying? He's stepping on my toes. Yes? Well, these days, I guess I talk to animals. I don't talk to people much anymore. Sometimes I do, but not very often. So yes, this is Friday, 28th of August 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic in Jasri chocolate factory. AGUS the goose, age 18, escaped from sacrifice 18 years ago, just walked off.